In order to apply for monetization on Facebook and make money from your content, you need to open up the Facebook app like I've done here, and then just go to the menu button in the bottom right-hand corner, and you should now see something that says Professional Dashboard. Now, just know that it has to be a Facebook page and not an actual Facebook profile. So you have to turn it into a professional page, which is very easy, a quick Google search, but it's simply you go here, turn on Professional Dashboard, convert to a page, and you're good to go. Go ahead now and tap on Professional Dashboard. Once you're here, you'll see the tabs at the very top. Scroll to the right to where you see the one that says Monetization. Tap into Monetization. There are a number of ways to monetize your content on Facebook. The first is through stars, which is people or viewers watching your content and giving you money through a digital currency. Then there are partnership ads, which you can see here. Everything that you have qualified for will show available here for you to sign up. You just tap into the program and you're good to go. Ones that are not available yet will show up as not yet available, like you see subscriptions, content monetization, storefront. Those will be unlocked as you go through and meet certain requirements. So for content monetization, you can see that I'm on the wait list. In the pinned comment down below, I will give you all of those requirements for each tier of monetization on Facebook. So as of right now, I have the stars program as well as partnership ads. And whenever you are monetized, you can go to this tab and go to view payment activity, and you should be able to see all of your payouts, all of your transactions, and deal with your tax forms here as well. So that's how you apply for monetization on a Facebook page. If you have any question, put that down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.